DS diving here, March 17th. Got finally freedom. We got two R3 trim tab sinks installed and two outdrive trim ram cylinders installed. I was trying to install your second, furthest to the back trim tab disc, but I couldn't get the old one off. Your prop nut, your outdrive is okay for now also. Let's go take a look. On your port side on the trim ram cylinder, I couldn't get, there was only one fastener holding the cylinder on. I put a second one in. I couldn't get it fully tightened. On the starboard side, same situation. I could not get a new one in it. Every single time I tried to, it was cross-threading. But both sinks are held in place and doing what they need to. Apologize about the visibility.